In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Ledger Nano X hardware wallet. First, unbox your Ledger Nano X and make sure the package hasn't been tampered with. Download and install the Ledger Live app on your computer or mobile device, then open the app and select Set up a new Nano X. Next, turn on your Ledger Nano X by holding the button next to the USB-C port. Follow the instructions on the device, then use the two buttons to navigate through the menus and begin the setup process. Now, create a secure PIN code for your Ledger Nano X. Choose a PIN that's easy for you to remember but difficult for anyone else to guess. You'll use this PIN every time you unlock your device. After that, your Ledger Nano X will display a 24-word recovery phrase. Carefully write each word down in the exact order on the recovery sheet provided with your device. Store this recovery phrase in a secure offline location and never share it with anyone or store it digitally. This recovery phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if your device is lost, stolen, or damaged. Next, confirm the recovery phrase on the Ledger Nano X by selecting the requested words in the correct order. Once the verification is complete, return to Ledger Live to finish the setup. Ledger Live will verify that your device is genuine and guide you through installing cryptocurrency apps. Finally, install the apps for the cryptocurrencies you want to manage and add your first accounts in Ledger Live. Your Ledger Nano X is now ready to securely send, receive, and manage your digital assets. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a Ledger Nano X hardware wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.